Good afternoon, friends. I'm out here near Blue River having a little fun target shooting with my new purchase. This is the Taurus PT-22 in 22 long rifle. I got it at a pawn shop not far from here. What I really like about it is it has this cool rose scrimshaw inlay and gold trigger along with gold tip-up actuator. It has a tip-up barrel. There are a number of reviews on YouTube of this pistol, but I haven't seen any of them with an inlay like this. I really like these handles. And I haven't seen them with the slide quite like this. The slide disassembly is pretty easy. All you have to do is squeeze the trigger just a little bit, and then you pull up, and it comes off just like that. You can see the pin down in there. And the mechanics are pretty easy. I didn't pay very much for this guy. I got it for pretty near close to $100. The slide is tough to rack back, but you don't really need to. You just hit the button right here, drop the magazine, you load 8, these little guys, and they have a pretty good punch. I mean, bust through a calculator like it was nothing. I picked up 500, 20 bucks. Not bad. So you just load them right in here. Slap the magazine in. Flip up the barrel. And you're going to toss a couple in there like that. What am I saying, couple? I mean, you're going to toss one in there after you tossed a couple in there. That's what I meant. Pop it closed. You're ready to rock and roll. You don't have to rack the slide. It's somewhat accurate. It's not the greatest, but close range, it does the job. I took it to the shooting range not far from here, and had a lot of fun with it there. It definitely hits the mark. So I'm going to take it over here in just a minute and fire a couple more shots before we go home. Got to put my earplugs in. Yeah, I don't really care if you see what I look like, but you know, whatever. I felt I'd go for the mysterious look. You never know who might be watching. And plus, I kind of feel like a ninja this way. So, got my earplugs in, got my safety on, made sure it's cleared. I'm going to start loading up the magazine here. Sitting in my car at the moment. Oh, I gotta open up a fresh new box. I don't think I'm gonna burn the whole thing. I'm just gonna do one more magazine just to show what it looks like shooting this guy. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I know I'm a little muffled. I feel a little better, you know, not showing my whole entire face, but you get the idea how ugly I am. So here we go. It's going on 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Ooh, dropped one. It's a fun little plinker. I wouldn't recommend it for self-defense, obviously. It does jam sometimes. That's actually something I'm kind of interested in. I just cleaned it. I'm going to see if I can get it to fire a full mag without jamming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the one that I dropped is going to go in the top. All right, we got safety on. Magazine is in. Popping the guy in the top there. Okay, let's see if I can hit a couple things. Gotta adjust my hood here so I can see what I'm shooting at. We are gonna go down. This way. Ooh, I see a live round on the ground. It's still good. I gotta do a bit more cleaning up of my shells before I go home. Not gonna stay here too much longer. All right. Hopefully, this guy's gonna fire all 9 rounds without jamming. Let's find out. You see what I got there? Oh, we got a jam. Okay, safety on. I'm gonna have to clear it here. So nothing in there. That means I gotta rack this guy, and I'm not gonna be able to do that with my hand on the phone. So I'm gonna have to get creative here. Oh, crap. I just dropped my phone. Damn it. That's what I was fearing. Safety's on. Oh, fortunately I didn't crack it. I just took the little screen thing here off. Well, this will be fun to watch later. Okay. We are still recording. Miraculously. Boy, I goobered her. Okay. We have pistol on the ground. And I was a dumbass and dropped my phone when I was trying to rack this guy, so I'll tell you what, you get to stare at the scenery for a moment while I rack it. Okay, we now have a bullet in there. I can't believe I dropped my phone. So let's try again. Now we're rocking and rolling. And we are clear. Okay, so we had one jam and a dropped phone. Taurus PT 22. Paid about $100 for it. I've seen them for about $250. It's a neat little gun. It really likes the CCI mini mag copper with the round tips. Those are the ones that I have not had any malfunctions with. These American Eagles, they fire pretty good. I definitely wouldn't want to get hit by one. I love that little rose. I don't think it's too feminine. What do you think? I think it's like an Italian thing, like kiss of death, you know? You think Sasquatch might be out there? It's pretty nice out here. I think I've made enough noise. There's my car. Oh, I'm glad my phone's okay. Glad my phone's okay. There's my trash heap. I gotta start picking up shells. All clear. Empty. Sweet little gun. Came with a cool little case. I still gotta get a holster for it. But hey, I like it. $100. Can't go wrong with that. All right. Have a good one.